In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. To record sounds using this OPPO, you don't need to download any recorder app because this OPPO device already has one. This is how it looks and I'm sure you can find it on your smartphone. When you're ready, tap on it and tap on Allow and agree in available pop-ups if you never used it before. Then choose red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to add a photo mark, on the right one. Then adjust your camera settings, take a pic, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, use this check mark. Now you can tap on Cancel at the top left corner if you want to get rid of your recording right away, or choose Save at the top right one to save it and name it here. You can also use this icon next to General Summary to enable or disable this option. When you're finished, hit Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. Now, to play it, click on it. Then manage it using all of those options. You can click on this speaker at the top to switch it on or off. Select those three dots also at the top right corner to manage all of those options, like rename, or select all of those. Summarize. To continue with this one, you need to hit agree and continue. Then choose your language and hit start. Tap on mark and photo mark while listening to your recording to add the ones you missed. To make those marks visible here, you need to click on this icon if it's not already on. You can switch them off by tapping on the same, now red one. To manage all of those tags, you can click on those three dots next to the chosen one and decide if you want to rename it or delete it. Now click on those two sliders at the bottom left corner to pick playback speed and decide if you want to enable or disable skip silence option. To save all of those changes, hit done at the top right corner. If you don't like what you changed, go back to the same settings and hit reset over here. Remember to tap on done again. Now by tapping on this scissors icon, you can adjust your recording by trimming it or removing some parts. If you want to remove a part, pick it, hit remove at the bottom left corner and wait. To trim your recording, you need to leave how much you want to trim and tap on this option on the right. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner and name your new recording. Hit save, and as you can see, I have both over here. To manage them on the list, hold one of your chosen ones and operate all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!